Hey guys, welcome back. We have another dailies unboxing today at the end of spring. So there are the trees inside, right? So there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new trees. 4 of them we already have had or still have, and one of them is new. The second one, that one there, it's a new kid on the block. So we're gonna get closer now and check out what they are. So we have these two guys, which are the same. Remember, I've told you, go with 2 of the same when you want to experiment, or when you're having difficulties like I have been with these tropicals. This is like my 6th or 7th Rollinia. Yeah, these are 2 Rollinias, just like the one I have in the ground that's still not waking up because of the absolutely horrid spring that we've had this year in Melbourne. So I thought I would get 2 new backups of Rollinia. And the thing is, I already had 2 backups of Rollinia. This one and another one somewhere over there. Anyways, over there somewhere. And guess what? These 2 backups that I got last year, at this time last year, just like today, did not make it through the greenhouse. The greenhouse that I packed away under the pergola, the one where the heating didn't work. But even though they sort of died, look, they're still alive right down at that point down there. So 99% of the tree died up here. I don't know why. The Rollinia, and I never watered it all winter. I didn't water it, and it didn't make it. What a bummer. So what I'm going to do with the new Rollinias that I got today, I'm not going to put them in that crappy greenhouse because I'm not going to use it ever again. I'm going to put them in the greenhouse at the back, the one that gets a lot of sun in winter, right? That one back there. That one back there. Most of the plants in there survived this past winter. So that greenhouse is a lot better because it gets sunshine. So that's how I screwed up with that Rollinia and the other Rollinia, wherever he is. One of these dead ones here. A lot of dead plants from that nasty greenhouse I had under the pergola. If the heating worked, that little heater I bought, they would have survived. Anyway, doesn't matter. Not a big deal. They're only like $25 or $27 each. Right? Seedlings. So now I've got 2 new ones, which I can raise up over the next 5-6 months, up till June, when the cold hits hard, and then put them in that greenhouse over there I mentioned. Okay, next I got 2 Canistel egg fruit, yellow Sapodilla, right? These 2 beautiful guys, very pretty. I've had even less luck with Canistel than I have had with Rollinia, so I wanted to make sure that what's going on here, that well, that I wouldn't give up, guys. I'm not going to give up on Canistel in Melbourne, and I'm not going to give up on Rollinia. I've already passed the test, or Melbourne has passed the test, with custard apple, ate moya, cherry moya, longan, lychee, all those tests have been passed. Mango. But I haven't passed the Canistel test. The Rollinia test is on the borderline. The tree's alive. Let me show it to you once again. If you've been following the channel, you know exactly where I'm going. This guy here. Look at that. It's only days away from summer. Days. And he's still a skeleton. That's because October and November, guys, were a letdown. Let down. A major letdown. Not one leaf has come back on this 4-year-old Rollinia tree. Can you believe that? Because we've had the coldest spring in 48 years. That's why I got the backups. And today I got the backups for the backups. So we're doing a lot of backing up. It sort of woke up a few weeks ago. See that? When we had 28 Celsius. Sort of, kind of woke up. But then went into reverse. It went backwards again because the next day, not the next day, the whole week after we had 28, the temperatures dropped back down to 10. Between 10 and 16. 10 and 16 is winter time. It's not spring. We had winter in spring. So our winter, which normally starts around May and ends around September, this year went from May to November. Can you believe it? How many months is that? May, June, July, August, September, October, November. We had a 7-month winter. He did anyway. I wasn't here. I was in Queensland. This guy had a 7-month winter. So it's not surprising he has no leaves yet. So backups of backups until we get it to work. We're not giving up. Once these trees, these tropical sooks, get to 5 years and they're leafing out, then you can be guaranteed they'll survive. Nothing will kill them unless we get a freak snowstorm, which we never have ever had. But you never know, right? So once these babies here get to the 5-year mark, I'm talking about in ground. I'm not talking about having pots in your house in there with lights and heaters. That's not what real life Fruitopia is about. Real life Fruitopia is all about getting all these tropicals here to survive outdoors in the ground unprotected. That's what we're trying to achieve here. It's easy to get tropicals to survive in the house, but that's not what I want to do. Okay? Greenhouse, unprotected greenhouse, unheated greenhouse until they get big enough, like 3 years old, and then in the ground with frost cloth until year 4 or year 5, and then guys, and then in year 5 or year 4 they should be like this longan. Longan is pretty tough. I can't compare longan to Rollinia, but lychee, I can compare lychee to Rollinia. Lychee is not easy. I've lost a dozen lychee trees, but this one made it. This one made it because of all the things I've said over the years. Mainly not giving up. I didn't give up. That's why it made it. Yeah, it's costly. It's going to cost money. Oh well, right? It's going to cost you money if you go fishing or play golf. So guys, now you want to see the last tree, right? Here's the special guest, or the special star of the show. It's this guy here. It's another Sapodilla, another Chico Sapodi. It's a variety I've never seen at Dailies, so I snapped it up straight away. They only had like 5 or 3, and I was going to get 3, and I said, sorry, you're only allowed to have one per customer. Damn, I was going to get all of them. All right, so and it's getting ready to flower, which is exciting. I just saw this now. See that? Very exciting. I don't expect anything though in the first couple of years. And he looks like he's about 2 years old, right? So you all want to know what variety it is. Drum roll. It's the BKD. Oh, the lighting sucks. Okay, BKD 110 grafted. Guys, that's what we're looking at here. Okay, so that's the video for today. So I'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Wish them luck. I gotta give him some sea salt and put him over there or under here somewhere in the shade for the next week, or under there, even better. When you receive a plant, a young plant like that, for the first week, well, in spring, in late spring, summer, not in winter, I'm probably going to put them under the Tangelo tree, right? To buffer them from the sun. Not that we're having any sun. I mean, it's sunny, but guess what the temperature is? Temperature on this beautiful, sunny, gorgeous end of spring day is 20, oh, I can't see, 21. It's only 21, guys. That means the chances of them getting burnt are very slim, but still, you want to do that as a normal practice. Hi guys. Yeah, 20 all week and then 30. 20 all week and then 30. That looks like our, that was our spring, and now end of spring. And it's looking like summer will be the same.